treatment, and I see there is a evaluation of tenders that we only opened the other day coming around to you now. But it's extremely capable USDA, Ms. Crawford, thank you. Okay, well, Mr. Bruce, if I've got this wrong, because I actually opened these tenders, you had a engineer's estimate of 442,000, excluding GST, and you are recommending that construction do the job for $314,000.
That is correct.
And again, we have Downer of Taupo, Head with Taupo, Higgins with Taupo, Ship Construction, Hamilton. Woodlands Road area-wide treatment. Can you just extrapolate on that a little bit, so I don't have to read this quite thoroughly? You're widening it from 7 metres to 11. What area is that happening?
It's beyond White Road intersection, so it's about a K past White Road intersection. There's a short section there of about 800 metres that is showing quite considerable signs of wear and needs a full pavement rehabilitation. At the same time, we're taking the opportunity to provide the additional widening.
Well, hopefully that might take a little bit of the pressure off motorists and cyclists on that road, so it's going to be quite hectic out there. That's for sure.
So Dennis, did we apply the rating for local contractors? And if so, was it near the accepted tender? Because the others were from Taupo.
The tender was evaluated on the basis of lowest price conforming. There was no rating for any particular contractors.
So there's no rating for local contractors?
Purely based on lowest price conforming.
Yeah, but also just to inform the council, this is a subsidised NZTA contract, and you cannot use any local percentages in an NZTA contract. It's lowest price conforming. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. Everyone understands that? So that's for that tender. Can I have a mover, please? Move, Councillor Minch. Second, Councillor Johnson. All those in favour? Moving now, service grant.